Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to create your very own Christmas lighting scene using the SmartBulb app. Let's get started. First, open the app and go to the scene function. As you can see, there are lots of scenes for you to choose from. Tap to edit the scene you want to change. You can even pick a Christmas picture from your album to make it easier to find your scene later. Next, change the name to Christmases or any name you like. Now, choose the colors you want to add one by one to create your perfect Christmas look. If you don't like a color, just delete it with one tap. Want to change your colors in a smoother way? Select the color flash mode. We have 3 modes to choose from. Then, adjust the color flash speed to match your specific needs. Once you're happy with your scene, submit it and let the Christmas lights shine in your home. If you ever want to change your scene, don't worry. Just reset it and create a new one that's perfect for you. And that's it. You've created your own Christmas light show. Enjoy the festive lights, and thanks for watching. See you next time.